Hey there, it's Kevin from Product Design Online, and I wanted to walk you through this new Zeplin update that includes Zeplin Extensions. So if you go to extensions.zeplin.io, you'll see that they're currently still in beta. And if you scroll down, you'll see there are some different extensions here that you can add to your Zeplin Mac app. Now, currently, a lot of these extensions really depend on what type of project you have. And if you see in the middle here, they actually have the documentation on GitHub. So these extensions are really just little JavaScript modules, and any developer can go and create their own. So now if I go ahead and open up Zeplin, it should prompt you to update to 1.24, which is the version that now includes the extensions. So if you install the update and then relaunch, you'll now see on the right-hand pane that there's this extensions section here. And then if you click on the settings, you'll see that it shows some different extensions. Now, once again, this is based on the type of project you have. So for my example here, I have an iOS project. So you'll see I can toggle on Swift or Objective-C or React or a few other options here. Now you can also click on this documentation icon and it will lead you to their website where it will show what version it is and some documentation. Now it's a little bare right now, but I think that they're going to start adding a lot more stuff here as they make updates and stuff. So if we go back to Zeplin, you can also click on the settings icon within each extension, and that will show some different preferences that you can change. So if you want to select a different version of iOS and some different features based on the extension itself. Now there's one other cool new feature that they added recently that I want to show you. So if I click on one of my mockups here, now typically when you click around, you'll see the dimensions in pixels or points depending on what project you have. But now with the new update, if you click or hold down Option or Alt key, you'll see that it actually changes to percentages. If you learned something in this video, be sure to subscribe and check out Product Design Online for more resources.